Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the Watermelon Margarita. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Fresh watermelon, tequila, I have here Don Julio Blanco, fresh lime, and Tajin. 4 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a margarita glass, a juice squeezer, a muddler, a knife, a strainer, and a jigger. Okay, first step, let's cut our watermelon. Okay, now that I've cut my watermelon here, what I'm going to do is I am going to muddle it with the muddler. Set your juice aside, grab your lime, roll it, cut your lime in half, grab your juice squeezer. We'll be squeezing half the lime into the shaker. Pour 1 ounce of watermelon juice. From here, it's alcohol time. Open your bottle. Pour 1.5 ounce of tequila into the shaker. Add ice, close the lid, and shake your drink. Now what we're going to do is add the Tajin on the rim of the glass. Your rim should look like this. Add ice into the glass, pour your drink, and the last step is to garnish with the watermelon. And there you go, my friends, the Watermelon Margarita. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.